We are discussing how to install Anaconda. So in the Google, I have typed Anaconda install. You can observe here www.anaconda.com. You can go to this site. You can go to the products and you can find the individual edition here. Because I am using the Windows, I am clicking on this button, download. Now the Anaconda is being downloaded. And after that, after downloading, how to install, we will discuss. Now we have .exe file for the Anaconda. Just double click on it. Now click on next. I agree. Just me. It is better advised to go with the C drive only. Next we are clicking on next. So Anaconda 3, it is being installed. Now setup was completed successfully. Installation completed. Click on next. Anaconda is suggesting to download the PyCharm. If you wish, you can download. Now I am skipping this step. We are going next. Anaconda individual edition tutorial, getting started with Anaconda. Okay, finish. When we have completed the installation, in the main Chrome browser where we have started our installation, you can find the installation success. So when you observe this, your installation is completed. If you want to watch some videos regarding how to start Anaconda, you can find here a 12-minute quick tutorial that provides introduction to help you to get started using the Anaconda. Now we have some more tools from Anaconda. You can use this registration of Anaconda Nucleus. If you register this, you can watch some more webinars and videos related to Anacondas. As of now, we have completed the installation of Anaconda. As of now, we have installed Anaconda, but that might not be available in the path. So even though the Anaconda is installed, we might not have the ability to use the Anaconda for our application. So now I am going to C drive to find where my Anaconda is installed. I am going to the users. In the user, in the pwing, here you can observe Anaconda. So Anaconda, it is available in the form of Anaconda 3. This is where my Anaconda is installed. I have to find this path and I have to add this path to my environment variable. So now I am copying this path. Now we will go to the command window. I will take new command window just in order to show that as of now Anaconda is not at all added. So I am taking example Conda. I want to check the version. So I am using Conda version. Now you will find the Conda is not available because we have not at all added. You find Conda is not at all recognized. We will check Python because Python comes along with the Anaconda. There is no need to do installation again. We will check, is there any Python availability? No. Sometimes you may find the version of the Python available. That means you have already installed the Python. And sometimes some applications like KiCad, they come with the Python 2 version. So at that time, when you click on this Python version, this will indicate that if there is any Python software available or not. As of now, in my system, there is no Python added. Even though the Anaconda is installed, as of now, it is not brought into utility. How to bring it into utility? For that, I am clicking on path. After clicking on path, click on this environment variables. You can observe here OneDrive means I want to add the Anaconda path to a particular user, that is me. But if you want to use to all users, to the entire system, many users, maybe 2-3 users, some may use, at that time you can click this path and after that click on new, click on edit and go to and click on new again and select that path, Anaconda path. Sometimes our applications like Jupyter Notebook, when we want to open the Jupyter Notebook, in future I will show how to open the Jupyter Notebook by using the git bash with a single command, open Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook. If you want to open by using the Git bash, wherever might be the Jupyter Notebook in your system, you can open it. So at that time, we need these some applications that Anaconda is supporting. For that, Spider and all some applications, when we want to open this, we have to add this scripts, this particular path. So now I am adding this path. In order to add this path, copy this path, and already we have added the Conda path. Now we are adding this path also. So we have added two paths. Remember, one, we have added the Anaconda 3 path. Second one, scripts path we have added. Now I am clicking OK. Now I'm again clicking OK. Now you can close. You have to close the command window and you have to open again the command prompt, because now we are checking whether the Conda is available or not. Conda version I am checking. Wow, Conda 4.10.1 is available. Now my system is recognizing. Now our system is telling, I am ready to serve you. I have found where Conda is available. I have detected already where the Conda is available. Now I can use this Anaconda software for your application. Now I'm checking the Python, because the Python is an inbuilt. When we installed the Anaconda, Python is coming along with it. Now we will check whether the Python is there in my system or not. I have not installed externally Python, but Python came. So here you can observe Python 3.8.8 version. So now we have downloaded the Anaconda and we have installed the Anaconda. We have added particularly that path in order to make sure that our system, particularly when we are doing this operation with a command prompt, our command prompt recognized the Conda software.